Hi, I'm Andrew Potocznik. Welcome to the 1 Minute Woodturner. Spindle turning is one of the basics in wood turning. So to get yourself started, you need a couple of centres. First, you need a drive centre for the headstock end of your lathe, and you need a live centre for the tailstock end of the lathe. A drive spur or driving dog and a live centre both have a number 2 Morse taper, which is the method of holding it in place. The hole inside the spindle is tapered and it matches the shaft, so all you do is push that into place and the wedging action holds the item in position. The same applies to the live centre, and now you're in business to put your piece of wood into place and start working. So if you're doing things like balustrades, rolling pins, shafts for toilet roll holders, anything that's long and cylindrical, this is what you'll be using. If you want more information, click on the links below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.